Hey, what is going on, Wait, that's awkward. Okay. Hey, what is going on, everybody? I am back today with another video, and this is... Yeah, let's just get started with this, and no. Now, about that beginning, I think it stops on me for some reason. Okay, yeah. Now let's start this new game and play as the new Jason we unlocked. But first, seeing as I discovered it, let's unmask him. It looks exactly the same, except he has half a mask. Wait a minute. Given the fact that he has half a mask, that one strap makes no sense. I just noticed that. Okay, whatever. Funland Jason, welcome to the happiest place on earth. Exit through the gift shop. Okay. Very weird.
Cops will never find us in here. Yeah! Hey, buddy. I thought this place was closed down.
Okay. He did that with a broom. Alright, I'm not gonna question. Flip the light switch. Light switches. The police can't see in the dark. Nobody can. Die. There's no screams.
Finally, stereotype.
That name I actually kind of agree with. I was lagging, so I didn't get to see that, but it looked like it was the same thing as a sword. But... Ooh. I bet those punks can't see in the dark either, Jason. My sweet, sweet boy. Oh, but problem, I need to... Oh, wait a minute, I know what I can do. Die. Die. Freak. Butter. Okay. Here's what I was planning, but I forgot. Okay, I didn't even... That works better than what I thought. What I was thinking was scare them, then somehow go to this bush. Actually, no. What I was thinking was, like, flip the switch, scare them, go up, go here, scare them again, to right there, and then I can get the girl. But this works. There's the unique thing. Okay. Anyway, that's a much better plan. Now, I couldn't have done that from the beginning without flipping the light switch because they would have just, the other dude would have just gone for the exit. This place used to be so nice for kids. It's really gone downhill. This phone has no use at the moment. Ooh, got the cop with it. Nope. Wait, I know. Shoot. Wait, hang on, maybe this will work? Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, I need to get that guy last because he's my only way to get through that bear trap. Oh, wait. Hold on, now I think I get it completely. This works the way I thought because I could just do this. Get this guy. Oh, wait a minute. No, I'm stupid. I'm stupid. My problem was I couldn't remove that bear trap. So what if I just... I might have an idea. Hold on, I need the cop alive for this idea. What if I... Okay, hold on. Just let me go down. Thank you. Scare him there. Scare her into the bear trap. Call the cop. Go to the other phone. Kill the cop with a bear trap. And then do this. I knew that plan needed a cop dying. Ha! What do you know? I'm a genius. And yet at the same time, I missed that. Dark escape. No, not the cat. Why? Animal. Why would it matter if the animal escaped? I'm not killing the cat. Okay, the cat can still see. I'm not killing a cat. Please don't. Darn it. I'll be right back. Okay, after many attempts, I got it. Thank goodness. Alright, so I'm gonna restart, like, not completely, because that would be annoying. So what I did was, I went back here, I turned on the lights. I should have thought of that, given the name. Then, I went here, and then I did the scare on her. But, I realized that's gonna still scare the cat. So I can go this way, kill her from here, scaring the cat that way, and killing the last girl. Brilliant. Oh. Ugh. I don't like hearing the bone. I don't like hearing the bones crack. It's so... Ugh. Oh, roller coaster, I get it. Some of these rides are really insane. I never used to let you on them, Jason. Too dangerous. Thanks, Mom. Honestly, I'm curious which ride she's talking about. I thought that was gonna work, but I should have known. Alright, that was perfect. I didn't expect the run to be that smooth. I was I was just guessing. Sorry. Yeah, I was just guessing there. I I didn't know what I was doing. Yeah, it's just the sword. Gonna have to change my weapon. Maybe to one of these. Are any of these gonna be good to me? Let's find out. A sickle. A canoe paddle? I don't know who you are. I don't care. Yeah, my phone is on. For some reason, I get random calls from Port Allegheny from a unknown person. It's very weird. Very weird. Okay, yeah, I see. I messed up. What if I scare you first? And then... Oh, wait, I know. Alright, kill you. And scare you. And then kill you from over here. Because then I can get the axe. I need to switch this out. You know what, why not? It seems hilarious, me using one of these. What is this, anyways? Are half of these just swords? I think half of them are just swords. Like, I might as well just... What's the point of giving me a new weapon if you're just gonna make half of them Oh, the haunted house. Okay. No comment, mother? Okay. Alright, I can respect that. Darn it. Okay. How am I supposed to do this? I obviously gotta scare the cop to death. Because I can't get out otherwise. How am I supposed to kill this guy? How am I supposed to kill? I know how I'm gonna kill you. And you. But how do I kill the cop? Oh, wait a minute. Now that kitty here has a spot to run. I can scare the kitty there. But I need to somehow be able to... Dang nabbits! Okay, maybe the scare has to be... No, because I still can't reach. I will be right back until I figure this out. It's probably going to take me 12 tries because I... I'll be right back. Okay, I figured it out, and it does revolve around a little bit of a chain reaction. Okay, so I scare the cat first, then I go back up here, scare this guy, come down here, scare her, get her bear trapped, and then scaring the cat. And then what I do is I scare the cat again. So now it's in the perfect position to push over the porta potty, killing the cop, and then I go here, scaring her into the bear trap, and then because of him getting scared by the bear trap, boom, baby. And now. No thank you. I will never buy. Thriller! Thriller! I wish I remembered the right words. Nope, I'm killing cat. Okay. Okay, now I can. No, I can't. Butter. Oh yeah, I forgot to say. It didn't take me 12 tries. Like, it didn't take me 12 tries to beat the last level. It took me like 10. Oh wait, I scare you first, then I do the cat stuff. I'm still gonna end up killing a cat, aren't I? No, I'm not! Ha ha! I like how I don't kill the cats, I just scare them. Okay. If I scare you right there, then I'll be trapped and I won't be able to go anywhere else. But if I do kill you here, then I will be able to, wait. No, I won't. Okay, how do I do that then? Oh, I see. I gotta somehow... No, wait, no I don't. What do I do? How do I get to that last one? Hold on. Yeah, there's... Wait. What if I... No, she's down there. I can't scare her that way. Darn it! I was thinking scare her into the trap, but I can't. Darn it. Are you gonna... No, no. There we go. Okay, what if I just kill her, scare her, and then... Nope, that's much worse. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna have to restart. I'll... This one's hard. I'll be right back. Aha! I had the right idea. I just thought scare the wrong girl. Okay, alright, now I get it. That took 5 tries. Like... Okay, so what I did was I did this. Went down here, went here, killed her, scaring her, then going here and scaring her again. Yeah, I got this right. Okay. Then I go here, killing her. No, okay, the last bit's apparently flawed. I need to somehow get back to the chair. So I can... No? Last bit flawed. Wait. I think I see the path. If I... Yes, thank goodness. Ah! This time I don't feel bad because he's a punk. I'm kidding, by the way. I still feel absolutely horrible. No! Ooh. No! 11 turns! Amusement parks are always so much fun, aren't they, Jason? My special boy. Well, I still have limited moves if I turn off the lights. That's a test. Yes, I do. Okay, so no point in turning off the light yet. Just gotta kill this guard. Oh, wait a minute. I think I have it. Water! Dang it! I didn't see that. I'm observant, but I didn't see that. Ah, yes. Back to the geek, huh? Darn it, this would be so much better if I didn't have limited moves. No! If I still had another! Oh, no. If only I still had a way. Okay, maybe if I can do this in less moves. What seems repetitive as movement? Okay, gotta go this way, gotta go this way. Ah! I think I see the repetitive movement now. No, because that guy still needs to die. I'll be right back. I'm sorry. Got it. Okay, here's the play. I do scare the guy, but what I do is this. I scare him from right there. Then I scare her. Then I kill her. Kill him. Turn off the lights so I can kill the cop. Go up here. Kill him. And I'm right at the axe. Perfect. Man, I hate these limited move levels. They suck. Oh, I leveled up. Okay. 30 minutes, okay? A candle. I've seen someone else use the candlestick. It's, again, basically the stankin' sword. Oh boy. At least I'm not limited on moves. Fall. Ah, dang it.
No!
Okay, now she can't escape. But he was able to. Okay. Wait a minute. Did you notice? Did you notice that? For some reason, his arm ripped off. What? How and why?
No! No!
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I see. It's because of where I killed him. Alright,
No!
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Oh! Face cam blocked an exit. Okay. So both of you ladies are protected by exits. Well done. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I have to kill Miss Mohawk, pink one, last because... No, that's purple. Last because that's the only way I can get to the X. I'm just gonna skip. Then how do I do this?
No!
Alright, kill you. I wanted to be one more down. I'll be right back. Got it. My plan was semi-perfect already, except I had to scare her downwards. So now let's kill her. I would replay it for you guys, but look at the time. I don't want another 2 gigabytes to go into this upload. So, what? Oh, don't make that. Now I see why he called you a punk. Please, please, please. Okay, I'm back and... Oh yeah, calling the cat will scare it. Darn it! But scaring it's bad because it will keep me from being able to... Wait a minute! No. You're where the... The final whatever stands. No, I'm stuck now. Darn it. Okay, what do I do then? I don't know what to do. Like, and I'll never be able to beat this, so I'm just gonna look it up. Okay. Got the video. And now I'm there. Okay, so sorry about this, guys. Go here, up, here, back, scare him again, call the phone from here, kill you, go under the chair, go here, go. Okay. Yeah, I got it. Thank goodness. See, I would have never figured that out. Oh. You know, I always question, where do their guts go? Like their torso. Is that a torso? Yeah, that's torso. Okay. I don't know. These gargoyle statues? Don't want to kill the cat. I'm gonna kill the cat if I do that. Darn it. Okay, restart. Dang it, it's gonna be 2 gonna be 2 megabytes now. Gigabytes, I meant. Darn it. Kill you. Hopefully, no. No. Scare you to where the cop is, then kill you, then turn off the lights. I wish the cats can't. Okay, I'm using the video. I'm sorry, guys, and it's from the same guy, VGame1ING. This person is a great help to me. I love it. Like, whenever I get completely stuck and I admit it to you guys, like, why did I say if I admit it? I always admit it, and then I just try, whatever. Anyway, this person really helps me. Oh, then turn back on the lights. That's where I messed up. Wait a second, I'd just like to point out, hang on, in their video, like, I have a bear trap. They have a landmine. Bear traps make more sense in this place than landmines. Shoot. Hold on, where was that? Okay. Oh, you scared the cat again. I'm stupid. Yep, now I just... Wait. Yeah, there we go. And blam. Okay, I am back from that ad. It had copyright music, I think, and whatever. Let's just see what the next level is. End of the world as we know it, wasteland, and I'm not even going to check out the next Jason. I will see you all next time. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Why do I keep messing it up? Please show up, please show up, please show up.